cree.
And you can guess it.
Woo!
Let's see, we're back doing
Hola familia, I'm Yelly.
I'm Zuli,
And welcome to our channel. Bienvenido a nuestro canal, aquí estamos otra vez con ¿qué ustedes creen?
And you can guess it.
Woo!
Let's see, we're back doing our little IPSY review.
De November, right?
Yes, I know. Time is going by so fast. I can't believe it's already November.
Sí, el tiempo está volando. Ya es noviembre. Y después de noviembre, ¿qué? Navidad!
No, it's crazy.
Yeah.
But if you guys know, this is a video that we've been doing. It's a consistent video in our channel. We basically review the IPSY bag that we've gotten for the month. We share which products we received. Are they the same? Do we get the same? Do we get different ones? And then just our quick little first impressions about the products.
Sí, so, ya saben que nosotros hemos video así de repasando algunos de los productos que IPSY nos manda, bolsa de cosméticos, productos. So, vamos a hablar de los productos que recibimos en este mes de noviembre.
Yes. And if you're interested, you want to keep watching.
Sigan viendo si están interesados.
Yes. Subscribe if you haven't already. We appreciate it.
Y dale
Thumbs up the video. So let's do it.
Vamos a comenzar. We're gonna get started. And like we always say, you always get an interesting little
a little message. They always have a theme of the month. And this theme is called Creature Comfort.
So, cada mes ellos tienen un tema que te mandan con los productos y es Creature Comfort y es hablando de, tú sabes, del tiempo ahora, el clima que el exterior se está poniendo espantoso, en verdad no, esto es sorprendente.
Oh, it's like the Christmas song.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it now.
Yeah. Pero está caliente, it was in the 70s, 70s.
There's all types of confusion.
So, un día está frío, un día está que es como de verano.
Yeah.
Pero vamos a seguir hablando de los productos, eso es lo que estamos aquí.
I want to look, this is so cute. This has been my favorite bag yet.
Yeah,
I love it. I really do love this.
Sí, so, está linda la bolsa, so,
Thumbs up.
estamos en buen camino con los cosas. So, ¿con qué vamos a comenzar?
So our first product, we actually got the same first product, which is the A Cosmetic Lash Blowout Salon Volume Lift Mascara in black. It's this one, it's a mini. I'm excited to try a new mascara. That's probably why I look so, I feel like, I don't know, what's the word? I look plain, right? I look so plain. Don't lie to me.
You can't see your, you look like me when I put mascara on.
I look crazy.
No.
I'm not crazy. It's just like I have makeup on and then nothing in my eyes, so I feel like washed out. That's
Washed out.
So, but I
que
feel
no se ve como que no se ve presente o cansado.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I knew we were gonna get a mascara, like I sneak peeked, so that's why I didn't put any mascara on, because I wanted to test it out on camera for you guys. Well, we wanted to, because we both got mascara.
Yeah. So lo que recibimos igual es la máscara de IT, el producto IT, y se llama Lash Blowout Máscara de volumen de salón y es el color negro. Y lo vamos a aplicar ahora. A ver cómo es. ¿Qué tú piensas? What do you think? I like it. No se pega la máscara. So
It's not clumping.
Yeah, it doesn't clump.
Some mascaras definitely make your lashes clump.
So, yeah, that one? No.
Yeah.
So.
Can you tell? Oh, when you go in there, can you bring it in.
Oh my God. ¿Qué tú dices?
I think I like it.
You do?
It's
I like it
It's
too.
simple.
Es sencillo, sí, no
It's
es,
simple.
no es dramático como
No.
nosotros, pero para un día por la mañana, like for work, para trabajo.
Every day, yeah.
Yeah, para todos los días.
It's definitely not that dramatic.
Pero me gusta porque no se le pega mucho, the clumps. So
Yeah.
I like it because of that.
Yeah, that's a good point. It is good because it's not clumping at all, actually.
Yeah.
And I'm passing it.
Y ahora mismo, lo que está en estilo, Western style a lot right now is a natural look. Uno natural, so con esto no se ve como que tiene puesto la máscara. So vamos al próximo.
What's your second product?
El próximo, ok, vamos a ir con lo mismo que recibimos. ¿Qué tú dices?
Okay, yeah.
So, el otro que recibimos es un exfoliante de microdermabrasión. I don't know what that is. Microdermabrasión. Yo no sé si estoy haciendo eso bien, pero vamos a ver.
Microdermabrasion scrub. It's a citrus. I can't do that word. Citrus oil blend and dead sea salt. So it's a scrub. Me and Nana, again, we both got the same.
No hay una cosa esta vez.
Ooh,
Where you see citrus?
right here.
Oh, on the bottom. Oh, yeah.
It does smell like. Smells like lime.
Yeah, oh, tiene un olor como de limón.
So basically,
Un aceite de limón. Es una mezcla de aceite de citrus y con sal de mar.
You know what it is? It's because this is both a chemical exfoliant and a physical exfoliant. That's cool.
Eso no, yeah.
Like the chemical, it would be the citrus, like the limes and all that.
Agrias.
The sea salt is the physical exfoliant.
Citrus.
The brand is Derma-E. I'm excited.
Esta marca es buena, Derma-E. La marca es Derma-E. Y so tiene dos, it performs two things, right? Microdermabrasión, no sé si se pronuncia bien.
I think you're doing great.
Pero lo que sea.
Lo que sea.
So es una crema y otra cosa.
Yeah. So what I'm reading is, it says dead sea salt and micro crystals buff away dead skin cells to help reveal a more useful and even complexion that glows. It's saying it's a pro level transformative results. That's a lot. I don't know if it does all that. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll let you know. Maybe this weekend. Watch the vlog.
Sal marina muerta con una mezcla de citrus, aceite de citrus. Y eso lo que ayuda para sacar toda esa célula o la piel seca.
Yeah, it takes away the
No sé, eso fue difícil conmigo.
Para los dos. English and Spanish, it was just like a tongue twister. The last thing I got, which I'm excited for, is the Lottie Wing Woman eyeliner.
I need more. Ella recibió un lápiz de delineador de vamos a ver.
I didn't know a liner.
Son un delineador líquido negro.
It's a felt tip. It's a hard tip. It's not a brush.
Y la punta del lápiz es como más suave, más dura. So, esto es más fácil para aplicárselo o hacer
No, I personally, I like a mixture of a brush and a felt. Like, I don't like it to be a complete brush because that's really hard. But I don't like it to be like this where it's completely a hard felt because then it's it's hard to maneuver it. You know what I mean?
O así, a ella le gusta que el lápiz de líquido que sea un poquito como una brocha, pero también que tenga la esponjita.
Sí.
Porque es más fácil para aplicárselo. Porque si es una o la otra es más difícil. Es la opinión de su.
That's my opinion. But I mean, it did a great job. It's dark.
You like it? ¿Te gusta?
Yeah. I mean, it's not my favorite because of I prefer more of a brush tip, but it is good. And for those who like
I'm trying to look at it, so I'm sorry. I'm like looking at it.
For those who like a felt tip, then you would like it was very, as you saw it, that was in real time. I did that liner in real time as you saw. So it is easy, I think it is easy to use.
Okay. For me, no. Dice que es fácil, es suave y es fácil de aplicarse, pero no es el tema que sea, brocha que sea, no una mezcla de esponja y brocha.
What's your next product?
Mi producto que yo recibí es un cepillo de mezclada ovalada plana. Es para mezclar su sombra. So I got, so this is a blending blush oval, and it's to blend your eyeshadow, and it says it's a little pigment. So you never have enough of these. No puede. Nunca es suficiente tener mucho de estos brush, right? And it is suave.
That's true, yeah. Oh, it is very soft.
So vamos a ver. So esta es mi próxima.
I just finished the other one. They're not twins, but they are related. Eyeliners. My next product that I got is a serum.
Ooh.
It is, I'm gonna butcher
You got
the
some
name
good
of
products.
the Bryroe, BYROE. It's their pear.
Un serum de pera.
Their
Aceite.
yes, pear serum oil.
Y la marca es Bryroe.
I'm assuming it says formulated with seed oil. What do you got? Seed oil, red algae,
Aceite de semilla y rojo algae.
it says it's a dual both. I can't talk today. I can't. I don't know.
We had a long day.
Apparently. This,
I had those days. I always had those days. Every day. You didn't care when we
we record, right? I mean, there's just sometimes where you're just like reading something and it's just, I don't know, it's not coming through. Dew boosting glow matrix.
te da un
And
brillo.
leaf shield to help strengthen your skin barrier. This heavy duty brightening serum feels light in weight and so soothing on your skin. It says just put a few drops between your palms and apply to clean skin. So it's a serum, I guess it's a glowing serum.
Ajá, que para que te dé brillo cuando uno se lo aplica. De noche.
No, Lisa, pero
No,
I'm
Lisa.
assuming you could do either or.
I'm asking her if you're doing if you apply it in the morning or at night, but it doesn't really give you.
I like-
Google it.
I like this though.
Yeah.
How it came in, like it you just squeeze.
Very cute.
It's cute. I don't know. I like that.
So my next one, mi próxima, es una crema para las manos, crema de manos de pistachio. It's a pistachio oil hand cream, and I love this. My hands get very dry, especially in the winter. So mi mano se muy seca, especialmente en este tiempo de invierno.
You do love your hand cream. She has a hand cream in every bathroom. I love it.
Yep, I love it, love it, love it. And then pistachio oil, ¿sabes?
Yeah.
And I love to eat pistachios. Pero no puedo abrir esto. Ahí va.
Here we go. You think it's gonna smell like pistachio? Does pistachio have a smell? Oh, it's green. It looks like pistachio.
I'm gonna try it.
You do squeeze. That's good. I'm gonna waste it on it.
Lo que me gusta de la crema de las manos, que no me la deja muy grasosa. Alguna vez hay crema que me deja muy, como, si me la pongo, estoy trabajando, como muy rebalosa. Like, I don't like some hand cream where
They're so thick.
they're greasy. It's very greasy. Like, you feel like, okay, it's my hand, but it still feels greasy. You know, I don't
Like
like
it
that.
doesn't dry down.
Yeah, and it feels like,
I feel. Oh,
so I love
it's
it.
a strong smell.
You like it?
Not really.
I like it.
You like it?
Like pistachio ice cream.
It
Como
does.
helado de pistachio.
It does smell like that. So if you like that, it's right up your
I love
alley.
it, yeah.
How much is that?
So I'm like,
$18.
oh.
That's another thing that I love about the IPSY. It tells you how much the full products are in this little card. So if you did want to get some, let's say you fall in love with a product, you know exactly how much it is.
So,
Which is nice.
también en la cajita, en el producto te dice el precio para el producto regular, tamaño regular. So, esa crema de mano, que si está interesado, si le gusta, cuesta, es $18.
Definitely. My next product is whose brand? CLIV is a multi-hyaluronic hydrating toner. I love that. I have really dry skin, and my face really does love hyaluronic. Anything that has that in it. I'm probably butchering that again. I don't know. It's been going off here today, but you know what I mean.
So it's un tónico
It's a toner.
hidratante hialurónico. Se me pegó a mí. Hialurónico.
Good job.
Hyaluronic acid.
Yes. It says get radiant and balanced skin with this triple action toner that brimming with probiotics and gentle exfoliators. It says pat onto the skin with your palms for best absorption.
So, ¿cómo se lo aplica? Con las manos, tú dices, sí. Tiene muchas cosas. Es un hidratante para la piel. Y otro y ya te estás dando cuenta de todos esos productos es para este tiempo. Las manos, creo que están reseca, la cara.
So this is the toner. I'm excited about this. Like Yelly was saying, it is that time where it's getting cold, so you want things to hydrate. I definitely do. I get really bad dressing like right now. I don't know. You see my eye? I don't know which one. I think it's this one. You see under? I have a dry patch, and it happens every year to me.
Tiene como una de la piel que está seca.
Yeah, it
Y
happens.
eso se ve siempre en este tiempo.
Yeah, so I'm really excited about these products. I feel like they'll help with my dry skin.
Sí, para mí en este tiempo los labios y las manos se me reseca.
My whole body is just the cold.
Sí, así. Mucho aceite.
What's your next product?
So, mi próximo es una crema para los ojos para renovarlos. Y es de esta marca Murad.
Murad. No,
Es
that's a
una
good brand.
marca que tiene muchos productos para
That's
la piel.
fancy.
Sí, ¿esa cuánto vamos a ver?
See,
El
the
precio de esto
the
es.
full price of that is $86. That's
So,
really
para un
heavy.
producto de un tamaño regular es $86. Esto no es 86, pero
The
yo creo
full,
que una
the full size. Yeah.
tamaño, tú sabes, regular son $86 para esta crema de ojos. So,
It's good. No, it's a really good brand. My mom used to.
sí, no, es mucho para muchos diferentes problemas de la piel, de la cara. Yo tiene muchas cosas para anti-aging.
Yeah.
Para
and
cosas
it's
para piel mayor, para ayudarlo.
Yeah.
So, eso es nuestro.
That's our IPSY bag for this month. I personally like this stuff that we do. What do you
Sí,
think?
a mí sí me sigue gustando todo lo que estoy recibiendo. Y también yo fui en el website y si usted quiere cambiar algo, you could change it too. Change your stuff, yeah, like, you know, like I went into it to see if you kind of change your style, si cambia tu estilo o no está contento, puede cambiar.
Oh,
Sí,
your preferences.
Tu preferencia, sí, tú puedes cambiarlos.
You know what I also like? They have deals. You can buy stuff that you don't like, that you're not getting your bag
Yeah.
from their website, and it's like very reduced. Like I
Por eso,
saw.
si los precios son bien, si ellos tienen promociones de productos que ustedes pueden comprar de 5, después va de 10, después va de 15,
Yes,
después de 25.
Yeah,
So
it's good because.
en la página de ellos.
Yeah, I bought something for my niece. I want to say she watched my videos. I can't say it, but the price was very much reduced, and like it wasn't a lot. Like I went to the products actual website to see like what was the real price, and it was true.
Yeah, same price.
It was just and on their website it was on the actual website it was reduced, but not as much as it was on Etsy.
Yeah. So es una idea. It's an idea for like Christmas shopping or anything. And they also have it here, like they have Shop Black Friday. So they have a little announcement and all that they have some promotion, que tienen promoción para el Día Negro, que es el final de noviembre. Pero tú sabes, la idea para regalos para Navidad.
Definitely. So I wanted to say thank you guys for watching. If you like videos like this, stick around because we will be doing our IPSY bag reveal and unboxing / reviewing.
Yeah.
This is a little combination of everything every month.
Yes, vamos a seguir recibiendo esta bolsa de IPSY y la vamos a repasar con ustedes.
Yes.
¿Sí? So, hasta luego familia. Adiós familia.